Managing multi-cloud environments with DevOps tool. In today's fast-changing IT world, businesses must manage multi-cloud systems. It is key to optimizing performance, improving flexibility, and cutting costs. With various cloud providers offering unique advantages, enterprises often use a multi-cloud strategy. Managing a multi-cloud environment requires a systematic approach. It must ensure smooth operations, governance, and security across different cloud platforms. A multi-cloud strategy lets organizations use a mix of clouds, like AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud. Why multi-cloud management is complex? Diverse cloud architectures. Each cloud provider has its own services, APIs, and architectures. This makes it hard to create a unified strategy for app deployment and management. Security and compliance. A big worry in multi-cloud setups is security and compliance. DevOps tools can automate security checks and enforce compliance. They can also check for vulnerabilities across all cloud platforms. Essential DevOps tools for multi-cloud management. IAC tools. Tools like Terraform and AWS CloudFormation use code to set up systems. Terraform is popular for multi-cloud management. It can work across different cloud providers. You can define infrastructure in a consistent way. CI/CD tools. Tools like Jenkins, GitLab CI/CD, and Azure DevOps help with app deployment on cloud platforms. They enable continuous integration and deployment. Advantages of using DevOps for multi-cloud management. DevOps tools boost agility. They allow teams to deploy apps on time on various cloud platforms. DevOps tools help optimize resources. They check usage across cloud environments. They identify underused resources and suggest improvements. Uniform security and compliance. Automation and configuration tools ensure it across all clouds. Overcoming challenges with DevOps and multi-cloud skill gaps. Managing multi-cloud environments with DevOps tools requires skilled experts. They must know different cloud platforms and DevOps practices. In a multi-cloud setup, enforce strict policies. They should control access to and the use of resources. Conclusion. In conclusion, managing multi-cloud environments requires strategic planning, strong tools, and a DevOps-driven approach. DevOps tools simplify multi-cloud management. They automate provisioning, configuration, CI/CD, monitoring, and cost optimization. Using DevOps tools in your multi-cloud strategy boosts agility and efficiency. It also ensures security and cuts costs. As businesses adopt multi-cloud strategies, they must use DevOps tools.